नाज़रीन, दोस्त आशिमा और आप देख रहे हैं व्हाट्सएप टीवी। व्हाट्सएप के इस एपिसोड में हम लेकर आए हैं ढेर सारी मस्ती। तो शुरुआत करते हैं टीवी इंडस्ट्री की मोस्ट हॉट एंड सेक्सी कपल करण कुंद्रा और कृतिका कामरा से। हम आपको दिखाएंगे उनकी ऑन सेट प्यार भरी मस्ती के साथ साथ टीवी इंडस्ट्री तक आने की जर्नी।
India Forums is trying to create a controversy.
India Forums is trying to create a controversy. We are sitting in the van and shooting, but not for the show, for India Forum. We also have Garibon Ki Kareena Kapoor with us today.
Hey Sunil Shetty.
You know, there's so many things that me and her do like in the same way, which just instills the fact that we were either brother sisters or we just are brother sisters. I think her dad messed up or my dad messed up.
Excuse me? Listen! You should start another forum. I mean, another section in the forum.
For good-looking creatives. Again, you know, you're not a part of that.
This is our life very happening inside the vanity van. This is all we do.
Let's meet the puke master. We name her Golu, the puke queen.
And the dumb ditcher.
Yeah.
No, she's not a ditcher.
She's ruined my Jack and Jones ka shirt.
You know, till now I thought friendship was about crying over a shoulder. I think in Mukti's case it's about puking. So that's the kind of friends we are.
Yes, you have to see when Karan is dancing. He's singing the I, Golu, broke your record.
Yeah, this is something that he kept saying after he was done dancing because as you know, Mukti is a benchmark and Karan thought that he had beaten Mukti, but he was just drunk. He was just drunk. Next day morning, he knew it.
We love you.
He's pretty. He's pink. He likes pink. He's metrosexual. He likes pink. Anyways, and he takes more time to get ready than me. He takes more time to get ready than me. Yes, his vanity is pink, and he likes to be driven around. He likes to be cooked for. He doesn't want to do his work on his own. And yeah, you like driving, but people around you pamper you.
Yeah, I like being pampered.
And
He takes 2 hours to take shower.
yeah, that's true. He has more beauty products than me. Yo, princess! Karan was basically spotted on Facebook, and yeah, and then I think Ekta called him.
Yeah,
to
somebody
meet,
from the office.
and he
messaged
came
me,
and-
I came and I met Ekta. And
And he got the show, and he was going abroad for a trip, but he had to cancel all that and stay back and act. And since then, he's been acting.
I've worked in a rubber factory with my dad. I've worked in a call center. I had my own call center. I've worked in so many fields, but you know, being an actor, I think now I've realized that this is what I really want to do because it's kind of passion for me now. Kritika was already an actor. I'm telling you how she came into Kitni. She was not agreeing. She was not agreeing to do Kitni. We had to Vikas, one of our friends, the creative that time for Kitni, had to run after her for 15-20 days before she agreed.
Shut up, that's a lie. Not
yeah.
so much, but
Yeah, or at least a week.
we are not drunk. We are just as insane, and I hope you have a set of friends like this. If you don't, go get some, go buy some. I don't care.
Or if you don't have a set of friends like these, don't get them. No.
No, Karan says every week he says he wants to get rid of us, and then he just comes back to us.
Or make sure you don't have friends like Karan Kundra. Otherwise you'll be...
High five. गलती हो गई, मार दो हमें.
बहुत ही कम लोगों को पता है करण कुंद्रा, कृतिका कामरा, मुक्ति और अदिति बहुत अच्छे दोस्त हैं। तो अदिति के बर्थडे पे क्या विश किया इन दोस्तों ने और कैसे थी सरप्राइज पार्टी, ये हम आपको दिखाते हैं।
We were actually having this secret meeting about what should be done for her birthday. Conclusion अभी ये निकला है
ये
कि
निकला है कि कभी भी लड़कियों को बैठ के बर्थडे प्लान नहीं करने चाहिए. You don't get any.
Yeah, right. As if you were giving all the bright ideas.
अच्छा, अदिति अभी यहाँ पे क्यों नहीं है? क्योंकि उसके चूहों ने फिर से बच्चे दे दिए. अदिति माँ बन गई.
No, she's watching Dexter.
Oh yeah, she must be watching Dexter. मतलब अदिति माँ वैसे नहीं बनी है, मतलब उसके चूहों ने बच्चे दिए. चूहे एक्चुअली हैमस्टर्स हैं. मुझे समझ नहीं आता. I think.
नारा खोलो, मेरा शॉट है इसके बाद। बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे डियर ऑडी, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू।
तेरे बर्थडे के लिए नहीं खड़े, केक खाने के लिए खड़े। ये और गुड्डी हो गई।
Happy birthday, Audi!
Audi is
Aditi Gupta.
Gupta.
Yeah.
It's not with a G
And this
O
is our-
O P T A. It's
It's
G U
with
P T A.
A-double-D-I-T-I.
Yo, come on.
Yo.
पिछले हफ्ते हमने आपको मौका दिया था आपकी फेवरेट एक्ट्रेस को वोट करने का, जो सारी में आपको सबसे ज्यादा हॉट एंड सेक्सी लगती है। तो लेट्स सी हु इज द विनर।
The number one actress who looks hot and sexy in sari is Drashti Dhami.
इट्स सो हॉट दीज डेज। गर्मी के इस मौसम में विवियन और वैबिन अपने आप को कैसे रिलैक्स रखते हैं, ये आप खुद ही देख लीजिए।
Well, it's very hot as we all know. अभी समर चल रहा है और मैं अभी शॉर्ट देके आई हूँ और मुझे